Welcome to the Debate Zone, where we tackle the most profound questions shaping our future. Today we step into a reality-blurring science fiction, the genetic engineering of future humans. Imagine eradicating disease, enhancing intelligence, or even tailoring traits. But where precisely do we draw the line? Is this the inevitable next step in human evolution, or a dangerous ethical precipice? Let's explore. The potential to alleviate human suffering through genetic engineering is immense. We're on the cusp of eradicating inherited diseases like sickle cell and beta thalassemia, freeing future generations from immense pain. CRISPR technology offers increasingly precise tools for gene editing, promising a healthier tomorrow, as noted by the National Institutes of Health. The promise of genetic engineering goes beyond just curing diseases. It's about giving people a chance to live without the shadow of hereditary conditions. Imagine a world where children are born without the threat of debilitating ailments hanging over them. This is the promise that genetic engineering holds. Clinical trials are already showing success. For instance, CRISPR-based therapies are virtually eliminating debilitating crises for many sickle cell patients. But it's not just about preventing illness. Imagine enhancing resistance to viruses, boosting cognitive abilities to solve global challenges more effectively, or improving physical resilience for daunting tasks like space exploration. Proponents argue that if we can responsibly give future generations a better, healthier start, we have a moral imperative to do so. A 2018 study in Nature Biotechnology even highlighted significant economic benefits from eliminating just a few genetic diseases. This isn't about creating superhumans, but about optimizing our species' well-being and potential. While the allure of eradicating disease is strong, the ethical implications of genetically designing future humans are profound and fraught with peril. A significant concern is the slippery slope. Where does disease prevention end and non-therapeutic enhancements begin? Public polls, like those from Pew Research, reveal widespread apprehension, with many believing genetic editing for traits like intelligence goes too far. This path could easily lead to designer babies driven by societal pressures, risking a dangerous genetic divide between the enhanced and unenhanced, a point stressed by the Nuffield Council on Bioethics. Furthermore, our understanding of the human genome's complex interactions is far from complete. Altering genes could lead to unforeseen long-term consequences that only emerge generations later, with potentially irreversible impacts on human health and evolution. Off-target effects, unintended DNA changes, remain a serious concern in germline editing research. Then there are fundamental ethical questions about making irreversible decisions for individuals who cannot consent, potentially altering the very definition of what it means to be human. Many critics argue that vast resources for genetic design might be better spent addressing current societal factors contributing to disease and inequality, ensuring equitable health for everyone alive today. The power to shape humanity's genetic future is rapidly approaching. This debate highlights the complex, ethical, social, and scientific considerations we must grapple with. We've laid out the arguments, now we want to hear from you. Comment down below with your thoughts on whether we should genetically design future humans. If you found this discussion thought-provoking, please hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth debates. This is the Debate Zone, where the world decides.